Hey guys, today we're going to build some raised bed gardens just like these ones. We will start by making the sides of the bed. These are 8-foot 2x12s and we're going to chop them in half for 4-foot long sides. These beds are going to be a foot deep, so we are going to cut these 4x4s into 12-inch pieces and use them to make corners. These beds are going to require 4 3-inch deck screws per side for a total of 16 screws. To make it easier, I use a small screwdriver and a hammer to start the holes, and if your boyfriend's around, you can do what I do and ask him for help. Hardwood fabric will keep critters out of your garden. You're going to need wire cutters, screws, and washers. And be careful, it's very sharp. Before adding the dirt to your raised bed, put cardboard down to kill off the grass and the weeds. Now you can add the dirt. This bed is going to take about 16 cubic feet of dirt. Now you're ready to plant in your raised bed garden. Thank you for watching. Happy planting!